Now, let's discuss marketing versus selling. Understand the key difference for modern business success. In today's world, selling is no longer just about pushing products. Marketing starts much easier by identifying what the customer really needs, analyzing marketing demands, creating long-term value for both business and customer. Selling is actually part of marketing, but marketing is much broader and more strategic in nature. Marketing is defined as a comprehensive process focused on understanding and fulfilling customer needs through product design, pricing, distribution, promotion and support. And selling is a narrower activity that focuses on persuading customer to buy the product that is already produced. Key difference between marketing and selling. The slide slightly compare the core distinction between the marketing and selling. Let's talk about the marketing. Scope. Scope of marketing is too wide, include R&D, pricing, distribution and promotion. Their focus is to customer focus. Marketing approach use pull strategy attracting customer. Their objective is to long-term customer satisfaction. Process begin with market research and customer need. End goal is to build customer loyalty and build value. Customer relationship is to continue after purchase. Orientation. What does the customer want? Is all about the marketing. Let's talk about the selling. Selling scope is too narrow. Focus is only on selling. Their focus on product focus. They use approach like push strategy, pushing product. The objective is to short-term sales goal. Process begin with product orientation. Their end goal is to immediate self-purchase. Customer relationship end with the transaction. Their orientation is to how can we sell the product. Real life example. Let's take marketing example. A smartphone company conducts survey to understand customer preference. Then it designs a features, rich model, price affordably and backed by good sale services. This is marketing because it focuses on customer needs and long-term value. Let's take an example of selling. A salesperson simply tries to push a phone to the customer based on offer or discount without caring if it fits the customer actual requirement. This is selling. They focus on short term and product centric. Thank you.